There. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to enroll in TD Bank online banking from your mobile. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open your TD Bank application. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on sign up right over here. And you can simply go ahead and select whether your account is personal, small business, or personal and small business. So click on personal, or I'm going to click on personal for this purpose right now. All you need to do is simply select I am the account for all the or I am the owner for all the account, and then simply go ahead and click on accept e-sign. Click on accept terms. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter all your information, so your first name, your last name, your email, your account type, your account number, even your ATM or debit card number, SSN, and so on. Once you've done that, simply click on create your username, re-enter your username and your new password, and re-enter your new password. Click on continue. They're going to send you a verification code to the email that you just provided, and when you go ahead and enter that back, your account will be ready. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything that you needed to know. So if it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.